Reset picture settings. Grayed out on Samsung Smart TV. On your Samsung Smart TV, when you are trying to reset your picture settings and you find the Reset Picture Settings option is grayed out by these simple methods, you can easily make your reset picture settings work again on your own. Fix Samsung Smart TV Reset Picture Settings grayed out. Step 1. Click on Home button on your Samsung Smart TV remote and navigate to Settings at bottom. Step 2. Or you can click on Settings button on your remote and open Settings. Step 3. Close the apps which are running in background. Step 4. And now, go to Settings to Picture to Expert Settings. Step 5. Now, press down button on your remote to highlight Reset Picture and press OK. That's it. Once you close background settings, you can reset picture settings on your Samsung Smart TV. Why reset picture setting grayed out? If you are having any other app running in background and you try to reset picture settings, it will be grayed out. So you need to close the background app and your issue will be fixed. It's simple to fix grayed out reset picture settings. When to reset picture settings? If you are having any issue with picture on Samsung TV, not display as expected, or picture screen flickering, or settings have been tweaked for better picture display and unable to revert back, then you need to reset picture settings, and for best picture experience on Samsung Smart TV, picture settings should be adjusted as per your requirements.